Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be preparing and packing things for our Humalig Island trip. And of course, ayaw naman natin ma-stress before going on a trip due to last-minute preparations. Kaya mag-share din ako sa inyo ng some tips on how I prepare for a vacation or a trip. And by the way guys, I will also be filming yung trip namin sa Humalig. So please stay tuned for that vlog. And without further ado, let's go! First things first in the preparation is to do your research. So, read blogs, watch YouTube videos about doon sa place na pupuntahan. And this one is really helpful kasi it will give you an idea on what to expect, ano yung mga dapat dalhin, ano yung mga activities na pwede nyong gawin. So, from there, pwede ka na mag-plan ng mga dadalhin mo, yung mga OOTD mo, and other stuffs na pwede nyong i-prepare for the trip. Guys, this is the bag that I will use for the trip. It's a duffel bag, as you can see. Ayan siya. And I got it from a thrift shop sa murang halaga lang. At first, I was thinking na maleta yung dalhin, pero it was not advised since sasakay nga kami ng bangka, so baka walang enough space para paglagyan ng maleta. Kaya, ayun, tumakbo ko sa thrift shop and so happy that I was able to find a duffel bag na super ganda, as in para siyang bago. So here are the clothes and some other things that I'll be packing. Medyo onti lang siya kasi the tour would only be done in a day, pero we're still checking if possible ba to have it done in 2 days para hindi kami mamadali sa bawat spots na pupuntahan. For this trip, I prepared 4 sleepwears, 3 OOTD outfits, 2 swimsuits. Though 5 yung binili ko, lang yung dumating. So hopefully umabot para makapili pa ako. Another tip that I would suggest is to make a list of the things to bring para walang makalimutan. This is the sample list that I did. But you can also categorize it if you want it. You can categorize it as skincare, electronics, medicine, and so on. So now guys, I'm folding the clothes and hopefully magkasya to mamaya sa bag. Pero guys, can you suggest in the comment section if may alam kayong any technique kung paano pwede mapaliit yung damit, like hindi siya mag-consume ng malaking space sa bag? Share nyo in the comment section. So next time, I'll try to do it. Actually guys, yung mga binili kong swimsuit this time ay puro one piece kasi tumaba ako, so mas comfortable ako magsuot ng one piece ngayon. So hindi na rin ako nagdala ng masyadong lukutin na damit para hindi na ako magdala pa ng plancha. Based on the list, guys, may mga items pa ako na wala dito. So, kailangan ko siyang bilhin. Samahan niyo ako mamaya. Another tip that I can share with you guys, aside from listing the things to bring, is to create an outfit catalog para mas madali mag-decide on what clothes to bring. Especially for us girls, ayaw naman natin dalhin yung buong cabinet just for a 3-day trip. Ang ginagawa ko when I plan for the clothes that I will bring, I check the itinerary, then binabase ko yung susuotin ko doon sa place na pupuntahan. For example, sa Humalig, there's this place na pupuntahan namin where inland lang siya. So, I plan to bring something comfy and stylish at the same time na babagay din naman doon sa place na pupuntahan. So, it's always better to plan ahead kung ano yung mga susuotin para when you pack, madali na lang. So, that's it. Ligo lang ako and kain, then punta na tayo ng mall. Just to keep you alive. Guys, nandito na tayo sa supermarket to buy yung mga things na wala pa sa checklist natin. And also, we'll do a quick grocery na rin para sa mga babaunin namin. Hala, SPF 80 tong isa ko. Bes, wait lang. Guys, we have na the insect repellent and sunscreen. So now, sa food section naman tayo pupunta para sa mga baon na bibili namin. So, let's go! Now, andito tayo sa first aid kit section. Do not forget to bring medicine and some first aid kit. It's super important for traveling. Hawi na ako. Nakabili na ako ng insect repellent para sa mga mosquito if ever man na malamok. Ready tayo. Next, I have yung sunscreen. This is a body sunscreen. I also bought medicine just in case. Lalagay ko na lang yung ibang mga gamit sa bag, then we're done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and preparing with me. See you on the next vlog. Bye!